Hello all, welcome back to another video of Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the batteries of a Ford key. This one comes from Ford Mondeo 2016, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. What do we need? Just a screwdriver, two batteries CR2 2025, and the key, of course. Let's start right away. First of all, press this button over here, crack it open. I pressed it before and I opened it like this. Then you'll see this one over here. Use the screwdriver. There's a gap opening over here. Pop it open by using the screwdriver like this. Once you've done that, here are the keys. Here are the batteries, like this, CR 2025. It contains two batteries, as you can see. We have our batteries, 1, 2. As you can see on the sign over here, one battery has to face down, and the second one needs to face up like this. Once you have done that, replace the other parts again. It must click like this. Yes. And now you'll have the batteries changed. I want to thank you for watching our videos. I hope this helped, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.